Ramdam pa rin ngayon ng The Kingdom of Jesus Christ ang ginagawang pagmamanman sa kanilang religious compound sa Davao City. Lalo na't patuloy pa rin silang nakakita ng mga drone o posibleng unmanned aerial vehicle sa kanilang lugar, partikular sa KOJC Central Headquarters na nasa tabi lang ng Davao International Airport. Nakatanggap din daw kasi sila ng mga report na hindi sila tatantanan ng otoridad hanggat hindi nahuhuli si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Isa ito sa mga naging sentrong usapin sa presscon ng KOJC nitong linggo.
Of course, anything is possible after what happened to the kingdom and to the religious compounds of the kingdom, 4 religious compounds in Davao City.
Mismo ang legal counsel ng KOJC na si Attorney Dinah Tolentino Fuentes, saksi sa nila ginagawang survey sa KOJC religious compounds.
May nakita ko kaming drone na parang ibon. Ako personally nakakita. And in fact, nag-hover sa akin while I was here, while I was on the way here to the compound. Totoo ito na merong unmanned aerial vehicle dito sa Davao City looking at the compounds. This would show that there is really surveillance going on.
Kung legal ba ang mga ganitong hakbang, sagot ng abogado ng KOJC,
we have to question the fact whether or not this surveillance is legal. Because supposed to be, under the Constitution, we are supposed to be secure. Hindi dapat yung ginagawa sa atin because that's illegal unless they got a court order to do that. Of that, we do not know yet.
Dagdag pa ni Attorney Tolentino, hindi dapat nagkakaroon ng mga drone na lumipad sa religious compound ng KOJC, lalo na't malapit ito sa airport, kung saan kailangan humingi pa ng permit sa gobyerno.
There are rules to fly drones. Hindi kayo basta-basta maka-fly ng drone without a permit. You have to get a permit from the CAAP to fly a drone.
Bagamat inireklamo na raw ito ng KOJC sa CAAP, hindi naman ito natugunan.
We already got in touch with the CAAP and what they told us was, you have to file a complaint with the police and then the police will come here and check. However, by the time the police come here, wala na yung mga drones. And yet, it happens nightly.
Tanong pa ni Attorney Tolentino, bakit kapag ang KOJC ang susubok magpalipad ng drone, mabilis ang pagsita ng gobyerno?
Ang nakapagtataka ho is that when the kingdom will attempt to fly a drone, to meet the drone up there, attempt lang ha, tinatawagan sila kaagad ng CAAP. This is what I learned. So the question is there, bakit may mga drones that are able to fly unhindered over the kingdom when this is very near the airport and within the no-fly zone?
Samantala, ipinunto rin sa presscon ang laki ng puwersa ng kapulisan na inutusang lumusob sa KOJC religious compounds at ang pangambang isasama na maging ang mga sundalo ng sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas. Ayon kay Attorney Adam Jambangan, sa kaso ni Pastor Apollo na isang religious leader, ang ganitong laki ng puwersa ay maituturing na labag sa batas.
Meron ba talagang reasonable na justification ang state na gamitin niya yung ganun kalaki na puwersa para lang sa paghuli kay pastor at saka yung sa 5 accused? In the first place, these are not terrorists. Okay? Pastor is a religious leader and these are not armed people. So why do we have to implement an unjustifiable force?
Inilatag din ni Attorney Jambangan na walang karapatan ang otoridad na maging marahas sa kanilang pagbibigay ng arrest warrant.
Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution also says that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable. So this is really a constitutional right on the part of pastor and the rest of the accused. Ang sabi kasi dito is no violence or unnecessary force shall be used in making an arrest. In this case, I don't think that there is a necessity for AFP to intervene.
Samantala sa ngayon ay patong-patong na kaso ang pinag-aaralang isampa ng KOJC laban sa mga otoridad na lumabag ng batas, lalo na ang paglapastangan ng mga ito sa mga religious compound ng KOJC.